local life. To the fruits at Coconut Village in Mekong Delta. Coconut Village, also known as Bantrake Coconut Village, is a popular tourist destination located in the Mekong Delta region of Vietnam. Two Astor's cultural immersion. Astor's can interact with locals, learn about their customs, and experience the village's warm hospitality.
Hello. Bye bye.
Astor's relaxing atmosphere. Astor's can enjoy the tranquil atmosphere and scenic beauty of the Mekong Delta. Coconut Village offers a unique glimpse into traditional Vietnamese life and culture. Making it a must-visit destination for those exploring the Mekong Delta region. The locals are very generous and with their welcoming hearts in every scenario.
Thank you.
Lovely.
Thank you, HoChi Minh.